The St. Catherine South Police are keeping a close watch on Central Village and surrounding communities amid recent activities in the area. Details in this report. Members of the St. Catherine South Police, led by Senior Superintendent Leighton Gray, along with other stakeholders, engaging with residents of Big Lane in Central Village during a walkthrough on Thursday. The community, which was once labeled a crime hotspot, recorded major gains with reduction in murders and serious crimes. But in recent weeks, some incidents within the space have sparked the interest of the police.
We want Big Lane to remain a peaceful place. We want Big Lane to remain a peaceful place. It has been like that last year, into this year, and with these few incidents. When you see so many persons decide to leave their offices and come and meet with you this evening, don't take it for granted.
At least 2 shops were firebombed in separate incidents, and since then, residents have been living in fear. In response, the police have increased their presence in the area in a bid to restore some level of calm. Our news team sought comments from residents about the tension in the area, but they were tight-lipped.
It is not our responsibility to sit back and allow things to happen before we take a step to address it. And the partnership that has been forged with the police, it is our expectation that we will continue forging those partnerships.
Meanwhile, business owners in Central Village have been forced to meet delivery trucks at the entrance of the community due to heightened fear of criminals in the area. At a town hall meeting on Thursday, the police announced plans to roll out a pilot project which will allow trucks back into the community. And Head of Operations DSP Troyville Horton issued this warning.
When these trucks come back into the community, you tell them that nobody can interfere with any one of them. If it happens, then we're going to deal with it most decisively. And they understand what that means. We will do what we have to do as the law permits, as the policies of the organization and the procedures allow. We will ensure that we are quick in our response.